In a world where financial freedom feels like a distant dream, many people are searching for that golden opportunity. Imagine transforming those spare hours into a wellspring of wealth. What if the key to your financial success lies in side hustles that can be done from the comfort of your home? Picture this: John D. Rockefeller, a name synonymous with wealth, started from humble beginnings, just like countless others. He understood the power of multiple income streams, and so can you. Before we begin, write in the comments, "I am confident in my ability to generate wealth." As we dive into this journey, consider how every minute counts. Are you ready to unlock the potential of your free time? What if you could turn your passions into profits? The possibilities are endless. Now, think about your skills, your interests, and the market around you. Could your hobbies be the ticket to a richer life? Each side hustle we explore will reveal secrets that could change your financial landscape forever. Stay tuned, because the insights coming up could very well be the turning point you've been waiting for. Keep your focus sharp, and let's dive into the world of side hustles that pay. Your path to wealth begins now. Identifying skills and interests. When it comes to choosing a side hustle, the first step is to take a good look at your skills and interests. Everyone has unique talents and passions, and understanding these can lead to a fulfilling venture that goes beyond just making extra money. For instance, if you enjoy writing, you might consider freelance writing or starting a blog. On the other hand, if you have a knack for crafting, you could sell handmade items online. The key is to find something that excites you, making the hustle feel less like work and more like a rewarding experience. To get started, it's helpful to make a list of what you enjoy doing in your free time. Think about activities that make you lose track of time or that you would do even if you weren't getting paid. This list can serve as a foundation for brainstorming potential side hustles. If you find that you love photography, for example, you can explore how to monetize that passion. Maybe you can sell prints or offer photo sessions for events. The possibilities are endless when you align your hustle with your interests. Another important aspect of evaluating your skills is to consider what you're good at. This doesn't have to be something that you've formally trained for. It can be anything from problem solving to cooking. Once you identify these skills, think about how they can be applied to a side hustle. If you're great at social media, perhaps you could help local businesses manage their online presence. The combination of your skills and interests can guide you toward a side hustle that feels right for you. Moreover, long-term sustainability is crucial. A side hustle should not only be enjoyable, but also something you can continue doing over time. It's important to think about whether your chosen hustle has the potential for growth. For instance, if you start a YouTube channel about a hobby you love, you can invest time into it and potentially expand your content as your audience grows. This long-term view can help you avoid burnout and keep your motivation high. Finally, don't shy away from seeking feedback from friends or family. Sometimes we are not the best judges of our own skills and interests. Others may see talents in us that we overlook. By discussing your ideas with people you trust, you can gain insights that may lead you to uncover new opportunities for a rewarding side hustle. Monetizing hobbies. Turning your hobbies into a source of income can be a fulfilling way to earn extra money. Many people have hobbies that they are passionate about, yet they don't realize that these activities can also be profitable. For instance, if you love painting, there are numerous platforms where you can sell your artwork. Websites like Etsy or social media platforms can help you reach a larger audience, allowing you to turn your passion into profit. One effective way to begin monetizing your hobby is to create a strong online presence. Share your work or creations on social media and engage with others who share similar interests. This not only helps in building a community, but can also attract potential customers. If you enjoy cooking, for example, sharing recipes or cooking videos can lead to opportunities such as sponsored posts or even creating your own cookbook. The key is to show your passion and connect with others who appreciate what you do. Another approach is to offer workshops or classes based on your hobby. If you are skilled at knitting or photography, consider teaching others. This not only generates income but also allows you to share your passion with others. Local community centers or online platforms can help you reach people interested in learning from you. Additionally, sharing your expertise often reinforces your own skills and knowledge, making it a win-win situation. Furthermore, don't forget about the power of digital products. If you are into writing, you can create ebooks or courses related to your hobby. These products can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory, making them a great source of passive income. If you have a talent for music, consider offering downloadable tracks or tutorials. The digital landscape offers countless opportunities for those willing to explore. In summary, monetizing your hobbies can be both enjoyable and lucrative. By leveraging online platforms, engaging with your audience, and exploring various avenues like workshops or digital products, you can successfully turn your passion into a sustainable side hustle. The journey may require effort and creativity, but the rewards can be well worth it. Freelancing and consulting can be a great way to leverage your skills in a flexible manner. Many people today are turning to freelancing as a side hustle because it allows them to work on their own terms. Whether you're a graphic designer, a marketing expert, or a programmer, there are countless opportunities available. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect with clients looking for specialized services. You can set your own rates, choose your projects, and work whenever it fits your schedule. One of the benefits of freelancing is the variety of work you can take on. You might spend one day designing a logo for a startup and the next consulting with a company on their digital marketing strategy. This variety keeps things interesting and can also help you build a diverse portfolio. As you gain more experience, you may find your niche and develop a reputation in that area, which can lead to more lucrative opportunities. Networking is crucial in the freelancing world. Engaging with other professionals through social media, attending industry events, or participating in online forums can open doors to potential clients. Not only do these connections provide opportunities, but they can also offer valuable insights into industry trends and best practices. Building a solid network can help you grow your freelancing business and find consistent work. Moreover, freelancing often allows for better work-life balance. You can choose when and where to work, which means you can fit in your side hustle around other commitments, like a full-time job or family. This flexibility can be particularly appealing for those looking to maintain a healthy balance between their personal and professional lives. Just remember that time management is key, as it's easy to blur the lines between work and leisure when you're freelancing from home. As you dive into freelancing, it's essential to stay organized and professional. Setting clear boundaries with clients, maintaining open communication, and delivering high-quality work on time will help you build a solid reputation. Over time, this can lead to repeat business and referrals, making freelancing not just a side hustle but a sustainable source of income. Intelligent investments, investing intelligently, can be an excellent way to create passive income and build wealth over time. Many people think that investing is only for the wealthy, but the truth is, anyone can start investing with a little knowledge and some strategic planning. You can use your free time to educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. There are many online resources available, including courses, podcasts, and articles that can help you get started. When it comes to investing in stocks, it's crucial to understand the basics of the stock market. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. Many platforms allow you to invest with minimal fees, and some even offer educational tools to help you make informed decisions. By diversifying your portfolio, you can spread risk and potentially increase your returns, making it a smart strategy for long-term growth. Real estate is another investment avenue worth considering. While it may require a larger initial investment, rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. Learning about property management, market trends, and financing options can help you make educated choices. Additionally, you don't have to go it alone. Many people invest in real estate through partnerships or real estate investment trusts, REITs, making it more accessible. Cryptocurrencies have also gained popularity as an investment option. While they come with higher risks, they can offer substantial rewards if approached wisely. Learning about how cryptocurrencies work, the technology behind them, and market trends can help you navigate this volatile market. Just remember, it's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose, as the cryptocurrency landscape can change rapidly. Finally, investing isn't just about finding the right opportunities. It's also about developing a solid strategy. Setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and regularly reviewing your investments can help you stay on track. Over time, even small, consistent investments can lead to significant financial growth, providing you with a reliable stream of passive income while you pursue your other interests. Entrepreneurship in the digital age. In today's world, the internet offers countless opportunities for those looking to start a business. Digital entrepreneurship has become a popular avenue for individuals wanting to capitalize on their skills and interests. One of the most appealing aspects of starting an online business is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a large amount of capital to get started. Often, all you need is a good idea and the determination to see it through. With various tools and platforms at your disposal, launching an online venture can be both exciting and manageable. When considering digital entrepreneurship, e-commerce is one of the most prominent options. Setting up an online store allows you to sell products directly to consumers without the constraints of a physical storefront. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to create a store and reach a global audience. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital downloads, or unique vintage finds, e-commerce can provide a steady stream of income. The key is to identify a niche market and understand your target audience, which will help you tailor your offerings to meet their needs. Another avenue in digital entrepreneurship is the creation of infoproducts. These are digital products designed to educate or inform, such as ebooks, online courses, or webinars. If you possess expertise in a specific area, packaging that knowledge into a format that others can learn from can be incredibly rewarding. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow you to create and sell courses easily. Not only does this provide a potential income source, but it also positions you as an authority in your field, which can lead to further opportunities down the line. Affiliate marketing is also a significant aspect of digital entrepreneurship. This model allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. By sharing affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media, you can generate income without the need to create your own products. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in building a strong online presence and providing valuable content that attracts and retains an audience. As your following grows, so does your potential for earning through affiliate partnerships. Finally, the importance of leveraging social media for digital entrepreneurship cannot be overstated. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok have transformed how businesses connect with their customers. By crafting engaging content and building a community around your brand, you can drive traffic to your online store or info products. Social media marketing allows you to showcase your personality and creativity, making it easier to form genuine connections with your audience. This engagement can ultimately lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Conclusion: digital entrepreneurship is an exciting and accessible path for anyone looking to create a side hustle or a full-time business. By understanding the various models available, like e-commerce, info products, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing, individuals can tailor their approach to fit their skills and interests. With the right strategy and dedication, the online business world can open doors to new opportunities and financial freedom. As we wrap up, remember that building wealth doesn't have to be a long and winding road. Just like John Rockefeller, who started with nothing and built an empire, you too can take small, actionable steps towards financial freedom. Imagine turning your spare time into a powerful asset. So, what will you choose as your side hustle? Are you ready to step out of your comfort zone and explore these opportunities? The key is consistency and persistence. Each small effort compounds over time, leading to remarkable results. Have you thought about how much potential lies in your hobbies, or how your unique skills could be monetized? The possibilities are endless. Take a moment to reflect on what you learned today and consider how you can apply these strategies in your life. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What side hustle resonates with you the most? Let's ignite a conversation and inspire each other on this journey to wealth. And remember, every great achiever started as a dreamer. So, keep dreaming big, keep hustling, and who knows, your financial breakthrough might just be around the corner. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies that can change your life.